Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Welcome to part 2 of the series I'm calling It Took a Week to Change an Air Conditioning Compressor in an S63 AMG. A week at least to change the compressor for the air conditioning. Yep, it's so bad it's driving Lola crazy. She's got the zoomies. She has the zoomies, and I can't find my duck, so we're gonna go on the hunt for Lucky Duck. I don't know what happened to him. I think he's just asleep somewhere. I hope I find him. Hope it possum didn't come get him. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. We have been elbow deep in this stupid, crazy, ridiculous car, and we're not even done, okay? We're not even done. This video right here will show some of the reassembly of some of the parts, and then we're gonna vacuum out the AC system, and then we're gonna put some new R134 in there, and then finally, we'll have some air conditioning. So, play that beautiful bean footage. It's the next day. Oh. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
There she is, way down deep inside of there. That is my new Denso air conditioning compressor that has been the bane of my existence for days and days and days. That's literally the hardest thing I've ever done. Go back, watch the first video. I don't know, it's probably gonna be 7 hours long. No, it's not. It's not gonna be 7 hours long, but it took me days to get that out. Why? Well, you get to remove the 2 engine mount bolts. You get to lift the engine. You get to drain your ABC fluid, you get to drain your power steering fluid, you move all of this off to the side, you wiggle your arms and hands in weird positions to get to the 3 bolts that hold the condenser on, and then you get to go down here and scrape your fingers and your hands to the bone to remove the 2 ports and the electrical connector. It's the toughest thing I've ever done. I never, ever want to do it again, okay? That was so much fun. But we have some new parts. So, since I am this deep into the operation, I thought it would be good to replace. Okay, you're not supposed to hear it like that. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. So, we're going to replace 2 idler pulleys, and I got a new serpentine belt. I also ordered a radiator overflow coolant bottle. Okay, this thing right there, because I thought it broke. Nope, Mercedes doesn't do anything the normal way. I should have known. That. So this just doesn't attach like this. It just doesn't. No, you get a special little adapter piece, and this end piece that sits right inside the hose right here is what disintegrates over time through all the hot and cold cycles. It disintegrates. This is what holds this right there. Then you push this down and it holds it in. Okay, what is wrong with an old-fashioned little clamp and a hose? Why can't we do that, Mercedes? Why do we have to have these special things? This is only for the W221s, okay? So that's a 2007 to what, 2011 S550, S63, S65 AMG, and the turbocharged C230s. That's all. Of all the Mercedes that use this to attach to this. Yeah, 2 models. Very few production years. So I'm going to go to the junkyard. I ordered this from the dealer. $17. 17 freaking dollars. And it just attaches right in there. Yeah. So that'll be here in a couple days. But I'm going to go to the junkyard and see if I can pilfer one from a vehicle there. I'll pay for it. I don't just pilfer. I do pay. Okay. It literally, this is the hose that runs right into here where your water pump is. Okay. And these little things get brittle over time, and I'm afraid to really touch this one. So hopefully we can put on our new belt without breaking the hose. We don't want to break it right there. So let's do that, okay? A little 17 millimeter is what you use right here to pull the idler pulley back, and then you can put your belt on the same route that you took it off, okay? I made a diagram, but we're just going to change this right here, this one and that one, because that should not roll like that. Something else I want to do, I have to do, is replace the ABC fluid that has all come out and the power steering fluid. I already have power steering fluid in there. Time for some ABC fluid. I just don't want any kind of a dry start. We don't want to ruin that pump because that is expensive and I don't want to go pull one out of a junkyard car. So we're going to add 1 liter of this good green stuff. And then when I get the piece for the radiator hose, we'll be good to start it. Hopefully she will raise. If not, we'll put some air in the tank here to prime the pump, and then she will lift. She will rise above all of the tragic situation, plural, that has occurred during this rebuild, okay? Yay. Guess what? It's another day, and our $17.85 part has arrived. Yeah, it's not this that is the problem. It is the connector. Mercedes decided to use little connectors like this that plug into the hose like this to hold it together. 17 bucks. It couldn't just be a regular attachable hose. Nope, it's got to have a special part for it. So we have the part right here. What we're going to do now, basically, I'm wearing a good shirt because I'm not going to get dirty today. And by good, I mean it's got pineapples on it. And yes, in case you're wondering, pineapples do belong on pizzas. Let's just end that debate right here, right now. If you haven't tried it, you haven't lived. Anyway, so we're getting this put together. Then we're going to get this reattached. Then we get to put some fluid in here. We're going to put some radiator fluid, antifreeze. We're going to put some more power steering fluid, and we get to put some more ABC fluid. Because remember, all of those had to come out. We had to drain all of that. I need bigger pliers to get to our AC compressor. Yep, this is the car that just keeps on giving. I thought it was the SLK. This one keeps giving headaches. Headache after headache after headache. Okay, we've got that. Take a close look. Here it is right here. Yep, okay. It plugs into the reservoir like so, and the clip goes down like that. And now it's in place. I'm afraid to touch this one. I don't want it to break. Okay, now, finally, we can begin the refilling process. We also have to reattach the radiator fan. Okay, so let's just do that right now. Get rid of the leaves. Thank you very much. Okay, out, out, out. Get out. There we go. Hopefully it just slides back in and it doesn't get caught on anything or break anything. I'm so terrified of breaking old plastic parts right now because that's what I do best. Come on. Okay, there we go. And is that it? Are we in? Yep. Okay. So we're in. Voila. Clips hold it together. Clips are here. Ooh, these have been in the sun. Ha! Ha ha hot! Hot, hot, hot! Holy fart. Jeez, these are hot. Okay. Let's reattach this. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now, we put this on. I gotta find my 10 mil. All right, we'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you one hopefully working, cooling, driving, lifting, power steering, turning Mercedes S63 AMG. I got a little dirtier, a little sweatier than anticipated, but fingers crossed. I hope she's gonna work. Okay, we have this kind of loosely attached because we're going to put some more antifreeze in here. This is loosely attached as well because I guarantee you we're going to need some more ABC fluid, power steering fluid maybe. So we have that attached. I'm going to start the car. Hopefully, everything will kind of level out, and then she will pick herself up so I can get the jack out from underneath. So let's just kind of lower this slowly right here. Ugh. Come on, little girl. There it is. Okay. Yeah. Don't go any lower. Do not go any lower. Okay. Fingers crossed. Everything sounds good. Let's just find out. Oh, by the way, I had to steal a battery because you know every time I work on a car, the battery's dead. Yeah. I had to steal the battery out of that car. Best life ever. I'm living right here. Absolutely. Here we go after how many weeks? Okay. I don't know how long you've been sitting. Hopefully, she will start. Whoa. I did not like the sound of that at all. Holy shite. Let's see if she'll lift. Will you go up, my dear? She's lifting. She is lifting, which is very, very good. Okay, let's pull this out. Let's kind of see how much is in here. Yep, we need some more. Let's put a little bit more in here. Where'd I put it? Oh, here we go. Okay. Come on. Okay, that should be good. Let's test the power steering. Oh my goodness. Get the air out. Ooh. We need power steering fluid. Oh, stat. Stat. And we are starting to smoke. That's because we had all that fluid leak out everywhere. We need more. Okay. All right, anything coming out the bottom? Ugh. Dry. Okay, so this works. That's going to burn off. Now we get to put the R134A in. So I'll recharge the system. You don't need to watch that. Blah, blah, blah. And we'll come back. I need to put this on too. And we'll come back and let you know just how cold it is inside the cabin. This is huge, folks. It's huge. Can you see? Can you see by the face? What does it tell you? Yeah. Well, okay. This face tells you we fixed it. This half tells you that we fixed it. The top part says it drove us crazy and almost killed us. But I'm smiling because that car is now blowing cold. Yes, she is as cold as can be. We did the vacuum thing. We put in the correct amount of Freon, 2.36 pounds, plus or minus 0.02 pounds. And she is cold as ice. Yeah, baby. She's cold as ice. Remember that song? Man, that was a good song. All right, you don't believe me? Listen to this. Here we go. Sounds good. Sounds really, really good. That first startup, of course, she didn't have oil for a long, long time. But she sounds fantastic. And yes, the cooling fan is on. No radio right now, okay? But the air that's coming out of there and there and there, it is cold. It is so cold. I am so in love. I love the car. Well, I did love it. Then I hated it. Now I'm kind of liking it again. And after I drive it, I'm going to fall in love again 100%. Because this car is the most amazing car to drive, and I haven't driven it for a long, long time. But she's happy, she's drivable, and most of all, she is cool. Thank you for watching. Thanks for staying with me on this two-parter video series for the S63 AMG W221 AC compressor. Yeah, it was a journey. It was a journey, but we've made it, and that means I can focus on other cars, like the SLK in the same color. Yeah, that car is bringing all the boys to the yard. Yep, and of course, don't forget we've got Janice over there and a 560 SEC right there. So we're going to continue working on all the cars. Once again, if you want a Monkey Wrench Mike sticker, cash at me, $3. The Benz Guy, $99. Include your address. I received a ton of requests after my first two SLK videos, so thank you for that, and the walk around video. So yeah, love seeing those stickers on those cars. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please share the word. Share the good word of Monkey Wrench Mike and all of his trials and tribulations. Okay, everybody? Have a great day. Bye.